You are going to love the 2017 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, engine block heater, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.